If you have been thinking about buying a house but have any concerns about your credit, you want to listen in, we're here to get some tips and tricks from Angie about how to improve on your credit score. Hey guys, Lori Amos here, RE/MAX Professionals, Amos Realty team.
Angie Salcido here with Premier Credit Solutions.
So for those of you that are just starting out that maybe don't have much credit yet, Angie, what's your recommendations for that?
You generally want to have at least 2 to 3 revolving accounts on your credit, and that's credit card accounts. So you can either start a secured card or just apply for a credit line and just try to keep the balances below 30%.
So what would be one tip that you would give to someone who's just starting to build their positive credit history?
So generally when you have at least 2 to 3 revolving accounts, which would be a credit card account, an installment account, which is a car loan or a credit card.
So a lot of people don't know that there is a difference between credit consolidation and credit repair. So what would you say is the main difference between the two?
So one of the main differences is they will negotiate your interest rate, and they will also take down the balances if you have high balances.
And that's in the credit consolidation realm?
Yes.
And so credit repair is what?
Credit repair is basically validating the debt on the credit report, and if they don't have the original documentation on the debt, they legally have to remove it.
When you have a new client that you are having a consultation with, going over their credit report, what is one of the most common things that you see that exists on their credit report that is either inaccurate or that they weren't aware of?
Well, a lot of times credit reports, 80% of credit reports are inaccurate. So if you're not constantly monitoring your credit scores, there could be some discrepancies on there.
So for those that don't know, help us understand what exactly it is that makes up your actual credit score.
30% is balances, which is revolving accounts on your credit cards. And then 35% is payment history. So you want to build a strong payment history.
So a very, very common question that I get is, what is the minimum credit score required to get a home loan?
Generally, you want to be at 640 on the credit score.
And that's pretty standard across the board, whether you're looking at an FHA loan, conventional loan, that is the basic minimum requirement.
Correct, yes.
What's one thing that I could do today to get my credit score up, or really quickly get my credit score?
You call Angie. That's what you do, you call Angie.
And it's a free consultation, so I'll go over your credit and give you some tips and tricks on how to improve the score.
So we touched lightly on the topic of credit. If you need more information, you can reach out to Angie directly.
Feel free to reach out to me. I would love to go over your credit and do a free consultation. My information is below.
If you found this information useful, or if you know somebody that could use this information, make sure to tag them below, like, share, subscribe, all that fun stuff. This has been your January Real Estate Info with Lolo. We'll see you next month.